pre-intermediate will and going to today. That's what we're going to be doing. But first of all, hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. And if you're tired of not seeing progress, which I'm pretty sure some of you may not have been seeing progress if this is the first time that you're coming to my channel, then you're in the right place. I've created an easy set of lessons that take you step by step, just starting from the basics and moving your way up with grammar. So we're going to focus on key areas like grammar and listening in my lessons. And they're both super important to help you understand and speak English naturally. I'm an American, so you're going to be listening to American English if this is important to you. Now, this one video that we're doing is a course on will and going to, but you should also know that this is part of a series of lessons. So if you've been learning with me or with one of my teachers, it's just a great way to review what you've already covered in class with me or my teacher or teachers. And whether we're working together one-on-one or in a group, you're starting with one of my teachers, these presentations help you keep practicing and keep making progress. Think of this video as a tool to review the lesson, a way to go over the material again and make it stick. Because to tell you the truth, we have this forgetting curve. So if you practice one thing, let's say you did it last night even, you might have forgotten some of that information already within the first day. And imagine if you wait another week without doing something, you'll probably forget it almost forever. So you have to probably watch this video a couple of times. And if you really want to practice a little bit more, you can find exercises on my website at davidenglish.info that go perfectly with this lesson and with other lessons to help you learn faster. So at this point, let's get started on will and going to. Will and going to, let's go over the differences and then let's go over a similarity. And I'll even give you some tips a little bit after this to make you really remember the differences. Will for promises, offers, requests, future facts, and short decision making. I will help you with your project. That's a promise. He will arrive at the airport at 6 p.m. Remember that this is much stronger, okay? It's much stronger, permanent sounding. Going to, an intention or plan. It's kind of what I want and I desire to do. It's my intention. She's going to start a new business. I'm going to fly to Mexico next week. It's what I want. Do I have to promise this to you? No. This is what I want to happen. This is my plan. And will and going to, there is a little bit of a similar use here. And this is for predictions. A prediction for the future based on the present situation. Look at the clouds. Look at those clouds up there. It's going to snow. It will snow. We could use them almost simultaneously, okay, when it's a prediction. I don't want to confuse you too much, but just know that this is true. And just remember, one tip here to make a distinction between will and going to is the fact that, remember this, when a man asks a woman to marry him, what does he ask? He says, will you marry me? He doesn't ask, are you going to marry me? And she will say, yes, I will, or no, I won't. Why? Because will is more like a promise, and for sure it will happen. It's about commitment. Going to has nothing to do with that. There's no commitment at all. So don't believe somebody when they tell you, I am going to marry you. Let's continue. At this point in the video, we're going to go over the directions, and you can get a pen or a pencil and your notebook and write down the answers, your answers. That's going to be if you're a low level learner right now, if you're a little bit, if this is hard for you. But if you feel like things are going well right now, then stay with me and continue with the video. So let's complete the sentences. Number 1, I think I call you later to discuss the details. In this case, I could say, I think I'm going to call you later to discuss the details because you're not so sure about it. 2, look at the dark clouds. It is rain soon. What do you think? If you feel like it's a prediction, again, you can go both ways. You can say will or going to here if you would like. So I think we're going to say, look at the dark clouds. It is going to rain soon. Maybe also you can say it will rain soon, but here we have the word is. So let's go with it is going to rain soon. 3, she is visit her grandparents next week. This is a future plan, and this is what she wants to do and intends to do. She is going to visit her grandparents next week. 4, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I help you with your homework. Here, it looks like it's more about a promise. I will help you with your homework. This is a commitment. I will help you with your homework. 5, he is buy a new car this year. Again, this is what he wants to do, what he intends to do. He is going to buy a new car this year. 6, we have a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. Here, it looks like we can say we are going to have a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. This is the plan. 7, they celebrate their anniversary tonight. Here, I'm going to say they are going to celebrate their anniversary tonight because it's a future plan. 8, I promise I be there on time. What I want to say here is that this is a promise. This is for sure will happen. So I'm going to say, I promise I will be there on time. 9, the train is leave at 8 p.m. sharp. The train is going to leave at 8 p.m. sharp. This is the future prediction, and this is what's going to happen. 10, I washed the dishes after dinner. I washed the dishes after dinner. If this is a short decision, so you can say, I will wash the dishes after dinner. This is the answer. Number 11, don't forget to call Sarah. No, I call her later. I'm going to go with, no, I will call her later. I will call her later because it's more reassuring. It's more promising. It makes me feel good. It makes the other person feel good when you say that to them. 12, she be upset when she finds out the truth. If this is your future prediction, you can say, she is going to be upset when she finds out the truth. This is what is going to happen. 13, the doorbell is ringing. I get it. If this is happening right now, it's really quick decision making for this one. So I'm going to say, I will get it. I will get it. 14, I think I go to bed early tonight. I'm exhausted. Here is kind of what you want. I think I am going to bed early tonight. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. This is my decision. 15, who come to your dinner party tomorrow? If it's a future plan, I'm going to say who is coming or who is going to come. Who is going to come to your dinner party tomorrow? Number 16, the package just arrived. I open it now. Right now, this is a quick decision. I'm going to say, I will open it now. Number 17, he not like this news when he hears it. This is a future prediction. I'm going to go with, he's not going to like this news when he hears it. 18, the phone is ringing. I answer it. This is a quick decision. I'm going to say, I will answer it. 19, someone is at the door. I check who it is. If someone is at the door, it's a quick decision. Again, I'm going to say, I will check who it is, and it makes the other person feel safe. 20. Who be there when you arrive? At this point, I'm going to say who is going to be there when you arrive. And that's very good job, everybody. Check out my website at davidenglish.info to do more exercises. Share your plans for the near future and your plans for the far future in the comments. I would love to see if you guys really got the whole concept here. At this point, you can just listen and repeat after me if you would like. I think I will call you later to discuss the details. Your turn. Repeat after me. Look at the dark clouds. It is going to rain soon. She is going to visit her grandparents next week. Don't worry, I will help you with your homework. He is going to buy a new car this year. We are going to have a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. Listen and repeat. They are going to celebrate their anniversary tonight. I promise I will be there on time. The train is going to leave at 8 p.m. sharp. I will wash the dishes after dinner. Number 11, repeat after me. Don't forget to call Sarah. No, I will call her later. Next one. She is going to be upset when she finds out the truth. The doorbell is ringing. I will get it. I think I'm going to go to bed early tonight. I'm exhausted. Who is going to come to your dinner party tomorrow? The package just arrived. I will open it now. He is not going to like this news when he hears it. The phone is ringing. I will answer it. Someone is at the door. I will check who it is. Who is going to be there when you arrive? For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, hit the bell, and leave a comment. Bye for now. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugerman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.